Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Terasha. I'm your teacher for today's lesson. So, in today's lesson, we are going to talk about kitchen equipment and utensils. All of you, come and join with me. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to start with coconut scraper. Coconut scraper. Coconut scraper. We use coconut scraper to scrape coconut. Now you can see scraped coconut. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle are used to grind ingredients manually. Saucer. Cup. Cup and saucer. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Kettle. Kettle. Can you hear water is boiling? Teapot. Teapot. Now we are going to use these things and make a cup of tea. I'm going to add some tea leaves and boiled water into the teapot. You can see cup and saucer here. Now I am going to pour the tea into the cup. For a better taste, I am going to add some sugar. Now your tea is ready. Oven. Oven. Mainly oven is used to bake something like cakes. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. You can see cooked rice here. Blender. Blender. This is an electric appliance for grinding and mixing. Knife. Knife. We use knife to chop vegetables. Gas cooker. Gas cooker. Gas cooker is a large metal device for cooking food using gas. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. A refrigerator is a machine for keeping things cold. When you are hungry, you always go to the kitchen, so it is important to know about kitchen vocabulary. If you want to learn more, you can watch my other videos too. I'll meet you with my next lesson, punctuation marks. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.